Okay, so here is sort of a real life example of where you might use finding the perimeter. In this example, we've got, it says that your pool is 20 feet wide and 25 feet long, and you have a 3 foot wide deck surrounding it. And it asks you if you want to buy fencing to put around the deck, how much would you need to build a fence around the entire thing? So in this case, you know the length and width of your pool, but you don't know the length and the width of the deck, the pool plus the deck. So what we actually need here is we need some width W, and we need some L length here. All right. Now we have parts of these. We have part of the length here is 25, and we have part of the width here is 20. And what we need to do is find the perimeter. If they're asking you how much fencing, how many feet of fence do you want to build around the entire thing, what they're actually asking you for is the perimeter. All right. In order to get L, so we need L and W. All right. But we can find these lengths because they tell us that the width of the deck is 3 foot all the way around. So I've got that drawn on here. We've got 3 foot of width here, and even though my drawing kind of is terrible, it's supposed to be 3 foot all the way around. This is 3 foot, this is 3 foot, and this is also 3 foot. So we can find these lengths knowing that it's 3 foot deck all the way around. If we want to find L, we know that L has this 25 feet, but it also has 3 feet of deck on both sides here. So you can add the 3 foot on one end plus the 3 foot on the other end. And when you do that, you get 28, you get 31 total feet of length for the fencing that you'd need on your deck. To find W, you do the same exact thing. We have 20 feet of pool, plus we have 3 foot of deck on either side, so we have to add the 3 that goes to both sides there. So our width here is 26. All right, so now this becomes a simple problem of finding the perimeter. If you remember, there's 2 ways you can go about this. If you start at one corner and you walk around and add up all the sides, that would be the perimeter. So you know that the perimeter would be W plus L plus W plus L. Also, you can remember that the formula for the perimeter of a rectangle, which is what this is 2 times the length plus the width. So if you want to just plug it in, the length here we found is 31, and the width here is 26. Okay, so now if you crunch that out, you'll find the perimeter of the deck, which will tell you how much fencing that you need. So in this case, it's going to be 2 times 31 plus 26 is 57. So the perimeter all the way around the deck is going to be 2 times 57, which is 114 feet. So the correct answer to this problem, you'd say you need at least 114 foot of fence. Alright, so that's how you tackle a perimeter problem in the real world. If you have any questions, bring them to class.